Wala nang masasaya pa sa pakiramdam na mapagtapos mo yung mga anak mo at makita silang may maayos at magagandang buhay. At 67 years old, ako na lang ang naiwan dito sa Pinas. 2 kong anak, may mga buhay at pamilya na sa abroad. Ang aking asawa naman ay wala na. Maayos naman yung buhay ko at di naman ako hirap. May kasama ako dito sa bahay, mga pamangkin ko at pamilya nila. Pero iba pa rin pala talaga, no, ang mabuhay sa piling ng mga anak mo. Mga siguro mahigit 10 taon na silang di nauwi sa Pilipinas. Minsan nagchat-chat ako o kaya tumatawag sila, pero kadalasan wala akong matanggap na mensahe mula sa kanila. Ang kinatatakot ko lang, mawala ako na parang ama nila. Yung hindi man lang sila ulit nakasama. Ako si Flora. At ang takot ko ay takot ng mga magulang ngayon. Na sa bagong buhay ng mga anak nila, tuluyan na silang makalimutan. Yung mga nangyayari sa paligid natin, my love, it consumes us. Not just our time, but our attention. And hindi yun taboo. Hindi yun something na hindi natin alam. Nare-recognize natin yan. That's why madalas nating ginagamit ang salitang busy. Sometimes it's no longer an excuse, but because we are. If not busy at work, if not really busy because we are doing a lot of things, we are busy thinking of our life ahead of us. Alam niyo yung parang wala naman kayong ginagawa basically, pero yung utak nyo pagod na siya ng kakaisip ng anong gagawin nyo 5 years from now. Saan kayo pupulutin 10 years from now? What's your next move? What's your next plan? What other bills to pay? How are you gonna pay for it? So parang consumed yung utak mo by the things na meron yung buhay mo. By the things na dinedemand ng lifestyle mo. And aminin natin, yung time natin ay too consumed. Lalong-lalo na kapag malayo tayo sa pamilya natin. It's too consumed na minsan kapag merong call from home, siya yung tipo ng call that we dodge. Not because we don't care about the people, but because it's easier to explain to them than other people. Yung sa mga client kasi tinatanggap natin agad yan eh. Sa trabaho, of course, pick up agad. Pero kapag yung call ay from home, we dodge it. So are the chats, so are the text messages. Kasi it's easier for us to apologize to them for not answering on time, for dodging the call, kasi we know that they will understand. But what we don't know is dalas nating ginagawa to because we are busy and we are telling ourselves at the end of the day na hey, kaya ako naman to ginagawa para sa kanila. Kaya naman ako nagtatrabaho ng ganito para sa kanila. Sa akin din naman sila kumukuha ng mga panggastos and everything eh. We tell ourselves that at the end of the day to make ourselves feel better. Para lang mawala yung guilt feeling natin for not having to answer that call, for not having to answer that chat, that text. But at the end of the day, we know we are not spending as much time with them as needed. Not by us, but by them. Kasi tayo, inilulugar natin yung buhay natin eh. Pero sila, we were their lives. Tayo yung buhay nila. Nung umalis tayo sa mga bahay natin to start our new lives, to to have a career, to stand up on our own. They were confused as to how they will continue theirs. So most of the time, they spend it at home, waiting for us to call, waiting for us to come home, waiting for the weekend kasi yun na lang yung schedule na naibibigay natin sa kanila. And that schedule tightens up into twice a month, every other month, thrice a year, once a year, tas kapag abroad, every 2 years, every 5 years. And in Flora's case, she's been waiting for 10 years now for her kids to come home. So, you see my point, my love. We are aware na hindi tayo nakakapagbigay ng oras. We are aware that we lack the compassion, we lack the patience, and we lack the effort of spending time with them kasi it's convenient for us na sila yung ipos kasi they will understand. But our lives cannot wait for them. Our lives cannot adjust for them. But they have adjusted all their lives for us. What I'm trying to get at, my love, is not just for you. It's for me as well. It's for everybody na tatamaan ito. Spend as much time as you can with them. Kasi some people is begging for more time with their parents. Some people is praying so hard that their parents are here with them today. But you, us, we still have our parents. Andyan pa sila. And they are waiting for us to spend time with them. Let's not wait until mapasama tayo sa bracket ng mga tao na begging for one more day to be with their parents. We can find so many excuses present today to prevent that from happening. Pero marirealize mo din one day, no excuse, no reason, no sabihin na natin emergency can bring them back kapag oras na nila. So my love, I hope yung kay Flora, yung mga anak niya, hindi pagsisihan. Yung panahong sobra silang consumed by their own lives that they forgot na meron naghihintay sa kanila back home. They have already lost the opportunity to say goodbye to their dad. And I just wish they won't waste another opportunity to be with their mom while she's still here. And for you, Flora, I know that will happen. I wish and pray that would happen. And I'm sure your kids don't want you to feel that way. It doesn't look like it. Hindi yan yung nagmamanifest na itsura noon, hindi yan yung nagmamanifest na meaning noon, but they don't want you to feel that way. They don't want you to feel neglected, never forgotten. You are loved. Again, consumed lang siguro sila by their everyday lives, economic status, own kids to tend to, school, and every little aspect of life that makes it complicated. Again, it's not an excuse nor a reason for you to feel that way. Pero deep inside, I want you to know that they love you. And they will be forever grateful for all your sacrifices to them. But yeah, like you, I'm wishing and I'm hoping na they can spend time with you. If not, kunin ka na nila, daling ka na nila sa States with them and alam mo yun, live your happiest life with your kids. I'm sure there's nothing more they would want in life than to experience that with you as well. So ikaw, my love, na nakikinig, and you know deep inside na you haven't spent time with your family as much as you should, may weekend, my love. Or maybe you can ask them na pumunta dito sa Saturday, o di ba? Manood kayo ng Grand Parade, yung Aliwan Fiesta 2023. It's free, walang bayad. Pwede kayo mag-food trip sa ating regional bazaar habang nanonood at nag-enjoy ng street dance competition at Grand Float Parade ng Aliwan Fiesta 2023. Spend your time with your family. Treat them sa food bazaar and just have a great memory that you can share with them on that day. Huwag kayong mag-alala, CCP complexes just near, o diba? Parang malapit lang kami sa Metro Manila, pero yung makikita ninyo, para na din kayong nag-around the Philippines. Kaya, sige na, spend time with your family, spend time with your parents, and make them happy. Let's not regret the day that we haven't spent as much time as we can with them. Claro? Claro.